Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Highguard failed to launch on Steam error.
Fix 1. Run Steam in Game as Administrator. Step 1. Close Steam. Step 2. Right-click Steam, Run as Administrator. Step 3. Go to Highguard folder, right-click the game, Run as Administrator. Fix 2. Verify game files on Steam. Step 1. Open Steam Library, right-click Highguard Properties. Step 2. Go to Local Files, verify integrity of game files. Step 3. Launch the game. Fix 3. Update graphics drivers. Step 1. Open Device Manager, expand display adapters. Step 2. Right-click your GPU, update driver, search automatically. Step 3. Restart your PC, try launching Highguard. Fix 4. Disable antivirus/firewall temporarily. Step 1. Open your antivirus/firewall software. Step 2. Temporarily disable real-time protection. Step 3. Launch Highguard from Steam.